lang po siguro nang hindi nag-give up yung mga bata sa balik. Kaya Blackwater played very well na yan talaga. So, hirap, dito kami, makikita nyo talagang close game. But siguro yung heart ng mga Converge, yun na nagpanalo ko sa amin.
The floor is now open if the media has any questions.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, siyempre, you were coming off a loss sa San Miguel. Siyempre, that game, medyo malaki yung anticipation, knowing your business at San Miguel. Paano po kayo, after nung loss na paano po kayo nag-gather ulit para maka-recover?
Kala ko nga pag-start ng first quarter, parang hindi kami naka-recover. But, ano lang, tuloy-tuloy lang. Sabi ko sa mga bata, after the end, sa walang mag-give up. Yung loss sa San Miguel, talagang tanggap naman po namin yun. That's a champion team. So, veterano pa lahat. So, sa amin, mga bata, kulang po sa experience. So, tanggap namin yung talo na yun. But, doon kami matututo eh. Doon matututo yung team, doon matututo yung mga bata sa pagkakamali namin. Yung mga lapses namin during that game na nakapag-adjust ngayon. Up to the end, ngayon nakita namin, hindi kami nagmamadali sa offense namin itong mga dying minutes. So, na-execute namin maigi mga play namin.
Alec, can you touch on that same, after that loss to San Miguel, how did the players dealt with it before this game?
For sure, Simon, we were very upset. I mean, we really wanted to compete with them, although we kind of did, but towards the end, we kind of melted down. So, hang on, sabi namin kay Gob na we really wanted to bounce back this game, although we started really bad again. But in the end, we wanted to make sure we executed down the stretch.
Just talk about that showdown with Cedric Berg.
I mean, these are really tough coverage. We had a hard time slowing him down. Pero I think our guards did enough for us to be able to get the win, and the coaching staff were able to adjust, especially down the stretch, to make sure we get stops. Pero he's an amazing player. It's fun getting a battle with him, you know.
Good evening. Big win going to your game against Barangay Nerva for next week po. Ano lang po yung tumatak po sa isip?
Same team, mga champion team, mga nakatapat. So, wala. Talagang no choice kami. Kailangan namin harapin ito kahit gano'ng kagaling itong team na ito. We need to prepare sa yung mga adjustment para namin na gagawin. Make sure na yung offense namin hindi kami na mamadali. We need to execute our play every ball possession.
Kung third quarter, nung nakalamang kayo, one of the reasons nung si Archie Concepcion na describe lang mo yung adjustment na from MPPL dito sa media.
With Archie, siguro dahil fresh leg siya nang pumasok. Malaking bagay yun na yung palitan ko ng tao, fresh leg, makikita niyo yung basta na sila nakakapag-contribute sila. But this last quarter kasi, siyempre, yung top 5 guys ko kailangan kong maintain sa loob. Dahil alam ko naman, ilalaban nito yung last 5 minutes namin. Lalaban ko.